Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. A live look with our Graber Post building cam looking to the west out of Terre Haute, where we just lost the sun down on the horizon a little while ago, but a beautiful shot with a few little clouds drifting in overall. Temperatures, though, have been colder. We have seen a big change in this weather pattern. There you can see the December temperature, and as of today, January so far has been 26.5 degrees, or in other words, 17.1 degrees colder in January than it was in December. And we got plenty of cold days in front of us. We've also had a lot of wind this winter, not only last month, but this month as well. These are peak wind gusts today, in some cases over 30 miles per hour. And when you look at this month alone, in the first 11 days, 9 of those days, we've had wind gusts over 20 miles per hour. And 2/3 of the days in December, we had gusts over 20. So a lot of wind so far in this winter season, and we've got more of that coming up tomorrow, but the winds will be south tomorrow, which is going to pump the temperatures up some. We were below normal again today, 34 the high, 13 the low. Those numbers below the average of 36 and 19. There was no snow today, though, because we had a lot of sunshine out there. Might see a little bit on Thursday, better chance on Friday, Saturday. We'll talk about that in a second. There's your sunrise sunset times, and the river stage in Terre Haute is just under 10 feet, and it's on the way down. Right now at the airport in Terre Haute, we're at 33. We do have a south wind, though, at 13 miles per hour. That's going to keep the temperature up some tonight, but it drives the wind chill down a little. It feels like 24. Temperatures pretty much in the lower 30s right now. We're not going to drop a whole lot more. That's about as low as it's going to go for the overnight because we have that south wind coming in. Our next disturbance that we'll be watching is way up here coming out of the northern high plains, and that'll be impacting us a little bit on Thursday, but it looks to be fairly minor. There's not much moisture in front of it to pick up and generate much in the way of precipitation, but it's on Thursday. We'll watch for that. Right now, the Dorsett Automotive Doppler radar is all clear. We don't look for anything tonight. Going to be a nice night tonight. Not as cold as the last couple of nights. Tomorrow, best day of the week, easily with the temperatures in the 40s. There'll be a south wind, but it will be dry. As we get into Thursday, though, you'll see that system come in from the northwest and swing in. So by 9 in the morning, maybe a little bit of some light rain, light snow. This won't last long, probably be gone by early to mid-afternoon, and we're not talking about much in the way of precipitation. First of all, any snow out of that, any we see mostly north and mostly light. You'll see these numbers come up a little bit, maybe 1/10 of an inch here or there, so doesn't look like anything big. It's also not looking big as far as rainfall. As a general idea, probably under 1/10 of an inch. So minor amounts on Thursday with that fast-moving system. Now, the next one's the one we got to watch. Watch as we get into, say, about midnight Friday night. Starting to see some snow breaking out in Illinois. Advancing into this area then during the overnight into Saturday. Probably take a little break, and then it may catch back up in our southern counties again on Sunday. We'll have to watch that, and this could be a big snowstorm east of here as well. So we got to watch that late Friday into Saturday time period, and then behind that, we're talking about some drier weather and cold weather early next week. And speaking of cold, look at all this cold air that continues to pour southward. So when you look long term now, Jan 19 to 25, I hope you like winter, below normal temperatures and near normal precip. So we got a lot of winter weather, it looks like, as we round out the rest of the month of January. Forecast tonight, partly cloudy, not as cold, only drops down to 30. Then for tomorrow, best day of the week, 46 degrees, partly sunny, warmer, but we will have that south breeze. You saw the light chance of precip there on Thursday, pretty minor. We got to watch that Friday night, Saturday system for some snow. Cold on Saturday, only warms to 35 by Sunday. Grant?
Thanks, Jesse. Here's some final thoughts from Coach Schertz as the shorthanded Sycamore